Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video I will take a tour with you and I'll try to teach you about how the framework Django working. And in this first video I will show how you can set up and create your first Django project, and it's pretty easy to start with. I have never used this framework before. I've heard a lot of good stuff about it, so I decided to learn more about it, and now I think it's time to giving a little back. Before we are starting, I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel. You can do it in the right corner below and press the ding. If you have any questions, please make them in the comments below, and I really hope you want to like and share this video with your friends. So let's starting to build your first Django project. The first thing we want to do is we need to install Django. You need to install it in your environment. When it's installed, then we can create the project. So let's use Django element and then start project. That's how it's working. And what we're gonna create, it's a sample app. So what I'm doing now is just creating the hello world application, and what we're creating inside should be some kind of post from a blog. So let's go inside the hello world, and then we just say Django elements start app, and then we call it posts. Then we can go inside the hello world folder here, and then fold out the hello world and going inside the settings. Then we can scrolling down to the installed apps, and what we're gonna do now is just to put the post inside. Then we are sure the application here post is a part of the installed apps. And to be sure as everything is working, you can just go to the cd hello world, and here we are right now. You can see it here, and what we're going to do is just say Python and then manage and then run serve. Then we're running a local environment. I think something is going wrong here. Let's go back and say Python hello world manage, and then say run server. Yeah, run server, sorry, that's my mistake. Here we go. Yes, and then we have the local environment, and let's check it in the browser. And you can see it's working as it should be. View the release note for Django 3.0, and everything here is perfect. So now you have your first Django project. So let's going back for the editor because we are not finished. If you're scrolling, let's close this. And if you got a little bit up, you can see we have the 7 on opinion migration. So the project probably doesn't work correctly if you used admin, authentication, content types, session and that one. It's just typed Python migration, so that's what we're gonna do. Copy that, and then we just paste and run it. And now it's migration, and we have a SQLite file here. You can see db.sqlite3. It's because it doesn't have connected up for like a Postgres SQL, MySQL, or something like that. So it's built inside the internal database. So to start coding the Django project, you don't need any kind of database know-how in the beginning. Of course, it's a benefit if you know that, but it's not a requirement. Now I think it's a time to create your first view. So let's go into the folder over here in the post, fold it out, and going down to the views. And the views here we can create a views when you know that. So let's do this and say from Django HTTP import HTTP response. Whoops, we have it here. Then go down and say we want an index file, and then we need to request, and we want to return hello world of first index page. Now we are ready to use this, but it's not working as easy as just out of nowhere. We need to integrate it into the URLs inside URLs here. If you don't have the URL file in your project here, you can just create it. And the URLs is using to control everything. And what we're gonna do now, it's just saying from Django URLs import path, and then from everything import views, and then we can say URL patterns it's equal to, and path it's equal to nothing here, and views index, and the names equal to index. When we to enable this, we need to scrolling a little bit up, going inside to the hello world and find the URLs, open it up, and in the import we want the include here, and then we just say path, and then we're going inside here and say posts. Let's say that we don't need this one, and then we say include post.URLs. That's meaning we going inside and take all the URLs from yeah, we need this, of course. We're taking all the URLs from the post URLs, and then we take everything here and include it inside the URLs here. So now we take all the URLs from this one and put it to the post. Let's starting the server up again, and let's go in for the browser, and just to be sure we are running here. That's fine. So let's going up and say post. Now you can see we have the hello world, our first index page. So your very first Django project is beginning. Congratulations. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you want to subscribe. If you don't know how to subscribe, please go in the right corner below on the video and click on the thing. If you have any questions or any feedback, please let me know, and I will try to answer you fast I can. Just remember to smash the comments below. I really hope you want to share this video and like it, so you never forget it. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye.